everybody, I hope you're all doing great. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're having a good week so far, and I'm very excited to share with you a deck I just got today in the mail. It comes all the way from Australia. Yeah, it's far away from here, very far away from France. And I'm so happy. I had a crush on this deck. It's beautiful. I love the energies of the illustrations, and I'm very happy to be with you today and discover this deck with you. So this deck is the Goddess Spirit Oracle. I'm a bit tired. It's late. Sorry. And it was created by Spellbound Society. So first, I wanted to do an unboxing video because look at that. I mean, this is so beautiful. It's gorgeous. I love it, the postcard. Thank you. It is because of wonderful people like you that magic continues to thrive. Many blessings. I mean, this is so beautiful. With the stamp, the Spellbound Society stamp, that's beautiful, and a bunch of stickers. Yeah, so we're gonna start with that. This is nice. Okay, so yeah, we go this way. So very beautiful postcard, and then let me see what we have inside. So, ooh, crystals, ooh, eyes, wow, I like that. It's beautiful. Beautiful, look at that. This is amazing. I don't know if my zoom is working right now. Yeah, it's better, I think. So this is beautiful. Stay Wild Moon Child. Wow. I like that. I really do. Thank you so much. I mean, this is great. This is beautiful. I'm gonna put this in my grimoire, you know. And this is a card, the Storyteller, Throat Chakra, Expression. This is beautiful. Sorry, I don't know why this stupid camera sometimes doesn't want to zoom. Anyways, yeah, this is the business card. Rachel Johnson, that's the creator, artist, and Resident Witch. Yeah, nice, very beautiful. Thank you for the goodies. Oh, I like that. Okay, so let's see what we have inside. So it's wrapped, well wrapped. It was very nicely wrapped for the trip, you know. And Goddess Spirit Oracle deck. Wow, that is beautiful. Oh my god. 76 under 250. Unlock the magic of the Goddess Spirit. 44 card Oracle deck. Connect with chakra energy, goddess power, and the mystery of the moon phases. A wonderful tool for self-discovery includes a soft pouch and guidebook. Illustrated and written by Rachel Johnson. www.spellboundsociety.co. Very, very nice. Okay, we're gonna open it now. So this is a big box. This is kind of a big box. So it's a white tuck box. Very nice, and the pouch, wow, I like it. I like. Yeah, so very, very cool. I like that. And it's signed and numbered, so very nice. So we're gonna start with the guidebook. So first we have a thank you note. Thank you so much for your support with all my heart. I hope you love and connect with the Goddess Spirit Oracle deck and that it brings as much joy as it has for me to create it for you. Rachel. Very nice. So contents. Thank you, welcome to Goddess Spirit, working with your deck, spreads, and then different categories for the cards. So this is the intro, working with your deck. You have all the cards right here, spreads, triple goddess, love, balance chakra, Luna, your power, crossroads. Wow, I like when there's different spreads, so that's cool. I like that. So chakra energy, balance, mind, body, spirit. So you have different cards representing the chakras, and then arcana goddesses, divinational power. So you have the name of the goddess, a few keywords, the pantheon, Greek, Celtic, etc. The correspondence with the tarot here, because those are arcanas, but not all of them. For the chakra, you don't have a correspondence, you know. So you have a guidance and an affirmation sentence. So this is kind of cool. I like that. So it's the same for all the cards. And then you have the septuple, strength and guidance. Luna energy, mystical power. Very good, very nice. I like that. And now we're gonna have a look at the cards. So first the pouch. Oh, nice. This is soft. It's very, very nice. I like that. Very beautiful. It's golden. Yeah, very nice. To store the cards. And let's see. So this is the backing. Oh, it's very, very beautiful. I like the colors. Nice. Quality is good. Not too thick, not too thin. And the cards. So very, very beautiful. Earth Maiden, nature, root chakra. So every time you have keywords. So this is nice. I like that. Witch, patient, sacral chakra. Shield Maiden, courage, solar plexus chakra. Beautiful. They're stunning. Healer, heart connection, heart chakra. Wow. Storyteller, expression, throat chakra. Seer, vision, intuition, third eye chakra. Very beautiful. I love the colors and I love the mix of black and white and colors. This is so beautiful. Well done. Spirit guide, higher realms, crown chakra. Very beautiful. Sif or Sif, I'm not sure about that. Free spirit, fertility, leap of faith. Isis, magic, manifest, self-mastery. She's beautiful. Oh my lord, look at that. Look at her face. Look at that. Gorgeous. This is beautiful. Really. Sarasvati, sacred wisdom essence. Demeter, harvest, divine feminine. Bastet, independent, protection, boundaries. So beautiful. Danu, spiritual learning, ascension. Kuan Yin, I love her. Love, compassion, unity. Freya, warrior, your power, determination. So Freya is on the box and on the guidebook. Sekhmet, strength, self-awareness. Nemetona, serenity, meditation, solitude. Oh my god. They're very beautiful, all of them. Fortuna, change, fortune, outlook. Maat, justice, balance, fairness. I like that. Persephone, introspection, limbo. The Queen, she's very beautiful. Hell, rebirth, dark, light. Stunning. You can see the dark side and the lighter side over here. It's very nice. I love the colors, really. Coventina, clarity, emotions, harmony. Kali is one of my faves. I love this goddess so much. Release limiting beliefs, transformation. Oh, she's beautiful. Very, very good representation of Kali. Yeah. Oya, storm, meaningful destruction. Tara, hope, star, renewed sense of purpose. Chango, moon, dreams, mystery. She's beautiful. They're all beautiful. I'm wow. Amaterasu, sun, good fortune, happiness. She looks like my daughter. This one. Yeah, kind of. Libertas, awakening, liberation, liberty. Gorgeous. Oh my god. Gaia, completion, world success. She is so amazing. One of the most beautiful Gaia I've seen. Beautiful. Nike, victory, triumph, mastery. Skadi, authenticity, speak your truth. Always speak your truth. Beautiful. Abnoba, wilderness, wild woman. Those eyes. Look at those eyes. Sigyn, loyalty, support. Athena, strategy, mind, clarity. Athena, we were all beautiful. Ocean, sweet waters, sensuality. Eostara, blossom, is allow. Hecate, crossroads, mystic, new moon. Ariana road, set intentions. Waxing crescent. Oh, you have the Luna phases. Diana, take action, first quarter. Beautiful. I love when there's moon phases index and chakras, because I work with chakras and moon phases, so this is just awesome for me. Rhiannon, muse, waxing gibbous. Selene, abundance, full moon. Morrigan, release, let go, waning gibbous. I'm not sure I'm pronouncing right, but that's okay. X-Shell, healing magic, last quarter. And Ceridwen, wisdom, waning crescent. Okay, they're all absolutely gorgeous, all of them. Oh my god, so beautiful, really. They're very, very beautiful. And look at the backing. I mean, it's so nice. I really love the colors. So yeah, for me, it's a beautiful deck. Everything is just beautiful. And I don't know what to say. I'm like amazed by this deck. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. So it was my unboxing video of this beautiful Goddess Spirit Oracle deck by Rachel Johnson from the Spellbound Society. I hope you enjoyed it. It was just, you know, a short video to show you the book and the cards. Don't hesitate to follow her on Instagram. I will put all the links down below. I will link her website as well in case you want to purchase this deck. And thank you for being here and for your lovely comments and your good energies and your love. And I want to say a big hello to everyone in Australia, because I know that some people are watching my video over there. So hello Australia. And I send you lots of love, lots of blessings. I blow kisses in your direction, you guys. And take care of yourself. And I see you in another video. Bye.